Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a potentially dangerous situation: a stuck throttle. This can be scary, so let's learn how to diagnose and hopefully fix it. Imagine you're cruising, and you go to decelerate, but the engine keeps revving. That's the scenario. First, acknowledge the danger. A stuck throttle increases the risk of an accident. So, if this happens, safely stop the vehicle. Get off the road if possible, and shut down the engine. Now, let's explore some causes. The throttle cable is the primary suspect. It connects your throttle pedal to the throttle body on your engine. Its job to open and close the throttle, controlling the air entering the engine, and controlling your speed. Over time, these cables can fray, rust, or become damaged. Let's do a visual inspection. Pop the hood and locate your throttle cable. Follow it from the throttle body back to the firewall, and then towards the cabin. Look for kinks, bends, or obstructions. Feel the cable for any roughness. Look for fraying, especially near the ends. A poorly routed cable is another potential culprit. Sometimes, the cable can get caught on the frame or other components. This can prevent it from returning, causing the throttle to stick. Ensure the cable has a smooth path and isn't rubbing against anything. Lubrication is key. A dry cable can bind. Use a cable lubricant, available at most auto parts stores. Apply it at the throttle body end and also at the pedal end. The throttle body itself can also cause issues. Carbon buildup can obstruct the throttle plate. Use a throttle body cleaner and a soft brush to remove any deposits. Now, let's talk about the pedal assembly. Check the pedal for obstructions. Inspect the pedal's return spring. Make sure it's intact and functioning correctly. In some vehicles, a cruise control cable runs parallel to the throttle cable. If this cable is damaged or out of adjustment, it can also cause the throttle to stick. Inspect this cable. One more thing: a faulty idle air control valve, or IAC valve, can sometimes cause the engine to rev unexpectedly. Consult your vehicle's repair manual for diagnostic and repair procedures for the IAC valve. If you've checked all these areas and are still experiencing problems, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. A stuck throttle is a serious safety issue. Remember, safety first. That means getting the vehicle off the road and ensuring the engine is off when working on the throttle system. I hope this has helped you understand the causes of a stuck throttle and how to troubleshoot the problem. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.